Hi, thanks for sharing your plan. I've got it open in my copy of Cheap Architect Premier X12, and I've marked it just in case I want to share it back to you. I've marked it for editing and home designer products. Let me refresh my memory. I looked at your post and I downloaded the file, but I want to take another look. Oh, what the hell? Get over there. Okay, it's all right. It's just here in the front then. So I'm going to hit the Shift key and the F6 key to do that. I'm going to zoom in here. I don't use the snap grids. They added that several versions ago, and I just never got in the habit of using it. Either one of them. Well, I can't turn it off. I think it's under the view menu. What is it? I thought it was under view. Well, maybe it is in home designer stuff, but not in cheap Premiere. Okay. That's the icon right now. There, oh, there we, wait a minute. I can still see that. Okay, there it's off. No big deal. It's just a fetish of mine. A lot of this, let me open this wall here and see what. Now that's the front wall with the side wall. I was curious why you just had railings on one end. Of course, that's your business. I want to see how it's set up under rail style. You've got it set to, okay, you don't have it set to post to beam. You should. What I'm going to do is select this wall. Got the stairs instead there. That wall, press the shift key, select this wall. So I'm editing them all in one group. Okay, and I guess you don't, I don't know if you want railing or not, but I'm going to go to rail style until it have, see what these settings are for. Post to beam. There's your post, and it creates a beam. That's kind of what you're figuring about. And I'm going to turn these railing settings back on. You can turn them off if you want. And I'm going to go additionally over to newels and balusters and make sure that the rails are not being drawn. With the rails not being drawn in plan view, it just looks better. And we'll go over to newels and balusters also and change the width on the newels to a post-like signature, like 3.5 inches would be even though we had a 4x4. That looks like posts, and we got railing in it and so forth. Let that update. There's your railings. There's your beams. Now I don't think we want beams half posts at the wall, so I'm going to click on this one, this wall. Yeah, and turn that off. It's over in I think it's over in rail style. Yeah, half post. Okay, we want none at the wall. See, I'll get rid of that little post there. Same thing over here on this wall. Excuse me. Go to rail style and what's grayed out? Oh, auto half post. There you go. None. I mean, nobody's going to put, well, probably not. Nobody's going to put a post that close here. And these posts here on either side of the railing are because of the stair. And what I'm going to do here is just make, no, I guess not. No, I think I'm just going to widen the stairs to get rid of the posts. Yeah, need to widen it a little bit more. Get rid of that side post. There we go. I think that looks better. And it just made the stairs a little bit wider. Now we'll zoom back in this. And I think that solved your problem. Now, if you want, excuse me, we click on this camera and then rotate a little bit. You got one post here white and everything else is kind of tan colored. Of course, again, that's up to you, but I'm going to use the eyedropper and get the white. I think the white looks better. Now I'm going to set it to room mode and then click on that railing over there. Oh, maybe you don't have a room set up here. Let me check. Looks like you got a room there. Maybe you didn't name it. Well, you named it deck. You can name a deck if you want. I would name it porch. But I don't know exactly what you're planning. I'm just going to show you by changing the name, it changes the character of the thing. And also for drainage, oh, you got it at -8. That's a little over. Usually porches are about 3 inches below the house floor level. When you change it to porch, it changes it from a deck into a concrete porch, like that. Anyway, we'll get on this screen. Eyedropper the white. Okay, I'm going to change the mode to object mode. Well, I changed it anyway. I want to click on that rail. I think they look better with all the same color on them. But that's just my prejudice. Yeah, I think that looks better. So the solution's built into the software. You just have to know the proper settings to get that to work. Now on this side, I told these railings to show the balusters. I wonder why they're not. That's draw balusters, draw newels, don't draw rails. Oh, the color is white. That's probably why. Let's make the color black or something dark. Oh, I know why it's not showing. It's because these are panels. Now, if you wanted to get rid of the railing, you had railing over here, and you didn't have railing here and here. You just open again, it's the dialog box for the railing wall. You go over to rail style and uncheck these. That gets rid of the rail, and then change this to, well, that's open. See, we got rid of the rails. Now there's just a post and a post and a beam. This software completely runs on settings, and most of the users think there's some innate intelligence built into the software. There is zero. It's just a robot, and it does what you tell it to do. And if you don't tell it the right thing to do, it does wrong things. But it doesn't know in and of itself what's correct. Even when it gives you error messages, those are based on mechanical presets, which may or may not have anything to do with reality. It's like you have the terrain plane turned off. Let's see. Terrain perimeter. No, I guess you haven't created a terrain perimeter. You got elevation data and primary contours, but no terrain perimeter. Apparently. Yeah. Well, that's your problem. I hope this helps you. It wasn't complicated like perhaps you thought it should be, but it's actually quite simple in just knowing where the settings are and what they're for and what they do. Okay. Hope this helps you, and whether it does or not, make it a great day. Thank you.